Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm doing a quick review of this, the LiitoKala, I don't actually know how you pronounce it, Lii-600. This thing is supposed to be very, very good for charging batteries, but it's also very good at telling you which batteries are good and which are bad, and various other things which I'll talk you through. But it's got a multitude of batteries that it can charge, and it wasn't too expensive, and if it does what it says, which is, you know, get batteries that are almost unusable back to life, then it's definitely worth it, because I have quite a few of them. But anyway, we'll have a little review, have a little unboxing, and let's see if it's any good. It's a 3 amp one, so it should fast charge as well. Before I get on, I'd like to thank Darren, my Patreon. Thank you, dude, for being with the channel for so long. You know, it's so appreciated, mate. I really do appreciate your time and your effort and the love that you've put into this. If you'd like to join him, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so here it is, and there's a couple of reasons I bought this, but the main reason was because it gives you the internal resistance of the batteries. It just makes my life a lot easier. I could easily whittle out all of the rubbish batteries. But let's have a look inside. Let's see what we got. And oh, actually, before we do, it says it works for all of those batteries. I'm not going to bother reading that out. And it says, fire and use sense touch buttons, easier and convenient, intelligent and safe with multi-protection functions. Overcharge and discharge short-circuited, overtemp, anti-reverse, safe time of bad battery identifier. Fire new design of LCD and one screen automation charge discharge, low voltage, current amps times hours capacity, etc. High-end, top quality for better life. So it's fast charge up to 3 amps an hour, and then it says all the same on the back. Okay, let's have a look what's inside. So, okay, we got help file, charger, which always unfortunately comes with the wrong charging thing, but I couldn't get the right brick for this country, so I will just do the best with what I've got. And they all look pretty much the same, but this one actually does look a little nicer, although it looks like it's already been scratched, but there's probably a sticky a protective shield over this. Oh, the springs on this one feel nicer. Yeah. The one I've got, it's very, very tough, and it's like scratchy as it comes down. Not the same one, but by the same company. Right. Okay, so let's have a look at the manual. Okay, it's well written, and it's understandable, which is always half the battle with these. And yeah, it looks very well written and useful. Right, I've got a huge amount of batteries that I'm not sure if they're working or not, so I just thought I'd just give it a go. Now, this does not have, from the look of it, reverse polarity. Yeah, now this one definitely wasn't working. Oh, but look, it's got 0.1%, so it's really, really low. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the instructions a second. Okay, so let's have a look then. So we got the charge as 0.1%, which is really, really bad. Let's get right down there now. We've got it charging at 3.15 volts. It's so far 11 milliamp hours that it can hold. It's been going for 2 minutes, 0 hours. It's 21 degrees C, and at 116 milliohms, the resistance, the internal resistance of the battery, and that's quite good. The lower this number here, the better the battery is, basically. But the fact that it's 0.1% charged is worrying. You know, they don't like getting below like 2.5 volts, so that's quite terrible. But these are all the ones I thought were damaged, so let's just see if it will fix any of them, you know, or if any of them are worth saving. Okay, again, that's almost there is nothing in it. These were charged, not fully, but charged, and then put on the side. Just try that again. If not, that can go in my dump pile. Yep. So this one is completely knackered, and this will be chucked in the bin. Well, it actually won't be. It'll be taken to the tip where they recycle them. It's one of my favourite places on earth, but let's not talk about that too much. Okay, one thing you'll notice is, look, these are both the same. These are both the same thing. And even when I did the initial tests on them, they had a very low milliamp hours. I'll leave these to charge and we'll see what happens at the end. Let's see if they fully charge or what happens to them. But can I just click that? Yeah, 1, 2. So actually, that one's got 112 milliohms, so that is actually a little better, but it's you know, it's such a small amount it'll make no actual difference. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and 18% on the first, 25 on the second, 45 on the third, and 19 on the fourth. Let's just see. There's nothing else that's changed. Oh, actually, the resistance on number 2. Oh, saying that was the one that ended up being broken, wasn't it? Oh, I don't know. Right, well, we've been nearly 3 hours now, and they seem to be charging pretty well, you know. None of them have suddenly charged really, really quickly or anything like that. And, yeah, I'll just keep you posted. I'll keep coming backwards and forwards until they're fully charged. Right, I've been using this for about 2.5 weeks now. I have charged probably 40 batteries from it, maybe a bit more than that. I've had no problems at all with it, and literally it has taken batteries I thought there was no chance of surviving to usable and workable. So this has already paid for itself in the sense that it's brought so many of my my damaged cells back to life. So I'm highly recommending this one, guys. If you're interested in getting yourself one, they're all over the shop, you know. I'm not having links for this one, but I got this one from AliExpress. So it's the LiitoKala Lii-600. Very good model, very worth it. Okay, so I've used this for a couple of days now, and to be honest, everything is good. The fact that it will tell me the resistance of the batteries is very, very useful, and the fact that it has brought back to life nearly I think there's 4 batteries it wasn't able to charge out of probably 30 that I've put through it. So to be honest, it's definitely worth the money that I've paid for it. If you'd like one, I'll put a link in the description. Again, non-affiliate, you know, I'm not paid to do this. This is all from my own money, etc. Anyway, thank you again, Darren. Thanks again to you. Bye for now.